The Norwegian Gem is a true treasure inside and out. In this video, you'll learn about the delicious food on board, then we'll dive into the exciting bars. After that, I'll let you know about some activities you won't want to miss, and I'll even share a couple tips to help you make your Norwegian Gem cruise the best it can be. If you stick around, I'll even tell you how you can get a digital ship guide for the Norwegian Gem to take along with you. Let's start with the food. Starting with Moderna Churrascaria. It's the Brazilian steakhouse. It's a specialty dining option where they bring skewers of meat to your table again and again until you can't eat anymore. Delicious beef, pork, sausages, all kinds of great, delicious Brazilian steakhouse meats, and they also have an awesome salad bar. Speaking of steakhouses, there's also Cagney Steakhouse, an American steakhouse, a fine dining venue with first-class service, amazing steaks, great seafood, a delicious menu. You'll love it from appetizers to desserts at Cagney Steakhouse. La Cucina is the classic Italian specialty dining option on Norwegian Gem. Delicious Italian cuisine like linguine, spaghetti, ossobuco, a lot of delicious food. It'll cost you a little extra, but the experience is definitely worth it. Le Bistro is the French specialty restaurant on board Norwegian Gem. It's fine dining with French food, French cuisine, creative and classic French food at Le Bistro. Another specialty restaurant is Teppanyaki, the Japanese hibachi style restaurant that's dinner and a show. It's a great option for a group or a family. Get together and enjoy delicious food at the Japanese style steakhouse, served hibachi style, cooked up right in front of you. Oceans is a complimentary option. It's included in the price of your fare. All day long, you can go there, get breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, great food, pub food, nachos, wings, a lot of great options at Oceans. I recommend it. The Garden Cafe is the complimentary buffet. It's included in the price of your fare, and again, you can get all you can eat every meal of the day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The Garden Cafe is a delicious spot to go and get a wide variety of delicious food. The Orchid Garden is also complimentary, and they serve Asian food. Pan-Asian dishes, including noodles and wok fried food, delicious Asian food included in the price of your fare. If you enjoy this sort of information, please click the thumbs up icon below and give us a like. It really helps us out. Now let's talk about the bars, starting with the Bali High Bar, an outdoor bar. You can sit outside and enjoy the fresh sea air. It's a bar overlooking the pool. You can have a beer, sit outside, enjoy the view, grab a bar stool, grab a beer at the Bali High Bar. The Topsiders Bar and Grill is also outside. It's right by the pool. It's a great poolside bar where you can go and grab a drink and get yourself some complimentary food fresh off the grill. The Spinnaker Lounge, positioned above the bridge, you can get the captain's view as you sit and relax and enjoy a drink. And at night, it turns lively with dancing and live music. There's also the Maltings Whiskey Bar, a great indoor bar, the great theming, and it's situated in a spot right next to two other great bars, Shaker's Martini Bar and Magnum's Champagne and Wine Bar. These three bars are situated right next to each other, so if you're looking to do some bar hopping, go to Maltings, Shaker's, and Magnum's. Bliss Ultra Lounge is the spot to head to at night for high energy, dancing, music. Great spot to go. It's like a party at Bliss Ultra Lounge, the energetic nightclub on board Norwegian Gem. Grab a drink, hit the dance floor, and have a great time. There's also the Atrium Bar, an indoor bar located right at the heart of the ship. Great spot to hang out, do some trivia, enjoy hanging out with your friends in the atrium as you have a great drink at the Atrium Bar. Now let's talk about the activities on board, starting with the relaxing Mandara Spa. Head to Mandara Spa for manicure, pedicure, massage, all kinds of spa therapy services at Mandurah Spa. Treat yourself at the spa. Mandurah Spa. There's also the Gem Casino. If you feel like taking your chances on Lady Luck, head to the Gem Casino. They've got slot games, table games. You can take your chances, win big, or just have a great time. There's also the Splash Academy. Splash Academy is the kids club on board the Norwegian Gem, a great place with fun activities that the kids can enjoy while you're off doing things that they probably wouldn't enjoy so much. The Norwegian Gem also has a kids pool, a colorful kids pool area that they'll enjoy, a safe spot for them to have fun, and a great alternative to the larger pools for the big kids and adults. There's also Entourage, the cool teen club hangout, a spot for them to go and enjoy time together, playing games, and they can head over to the video arcade. The video arcade has an assortment of fun games, win prizes, fight off aliens, outdrive your friend, a great spot for kids and kids at heart. Norwegian Gem also has amazing stage shows, Broadway-style, high-energy stage shows that you won't want to miss. And if you're looking for a souvenir, check out Norwegian Gem's shopping. Great options to get duty-free goods, jewelry, Norwegian souvenirs, maybe nice spirit to take home with you. Don't forget to do the shopping while you're on board. The Corona Cigar Club is a great spot for those who like to smoke. Go there and smoke a cigar or cigarette. It's a luxurious, beautifully decorated indoor bar where you can smoke, get yourself a nice drink, and relax at the Corona Cigar Club. Now, how about a couple tips? Tip number 1, don't miss out on the Great Outdoors. The Great Outdoors is an extension of the Garden Cafe, the buffet area, but it has seating outside. You can sit out there and enjoy your meal while you have an amazing wake view. And they even have a Great Outdoors bar. Tip number 2, if you're looking for peace and quiet, need a little time to your own, head off to the card room. The card room is a great spot to get away from the crowd, play a game, read a book. If you're looking for the quietest spot on the ship, the card room is it. Tip number 3, don't miss out on the Grand Pacific Dining Room. This ship has so many specialty dining options, but the included main dining room, the Grand Pacific Dining Room, is a beautiful spot with amazing service. You won't want to miss out. Be sure to try at least one meal at the Grand Pacific Dining Room. Tip number 4, be sure to download our Norwegian Gem digital download ship guide. It'll tell you what's on board, where to find things, what costs extra, and we're even throwing in a bar crawl guide for the Norwegian Gem, a great way to have a bar hop while you're on board. You can get yours by clicking on the link in the description below. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, it's just a way to follow us so you don't miss out on our future videos. We've got more ship guides coming, a lot of cruise food information, cruise tips, and interviews. You won't want to miss that. We also go live Saturdays at 3 o'clock Eastern Time. If you want to converse with us and learn more about cruising, talk about cruising topics, join us live Saturdays at 3 Eastern Time. Thanks for watching.